Justice Kanyehamba's illustrious career as a teacher, politician, and judge, as well as his astounding academic contributions, have significantly shaped the nation's legal landscape and jurisprudence. The judiciary is proud of him and will forever remember him. When you serve at this site, at the bench side, you never die. And if you are a Kanyeihamba, even for thousands of years, you never die, because you are cited every day. And they don't say Kanyeihamba, formerly Justice of the Supreme Court. He will always be cited as Kanyeihamba JSC. Justice Kanyeihamba was a distinguished scholar and prolific writer whose writings served as a source of inspiration and guidance for innumerable scholars and legal professionals in Uganda and around the world. Honorable Justice Professor G.W. Kanyeihamba served as a member of parliament, a minister, and attorney general, and was very instrumental in drafting of the 1995 Constitution, which has stood the test of time.
Mr. Justice Kanyeihamba was pivotal in organizing the response of the judiciary to those calamitous events. He has fought the good fight. He has kept the faith. And now a crown of glory awaits him.
We express our profound appreciation for this honor. We express our gratitude for the support you have rendered to the family before and after his passing. I knew that George would inspire a generation of judges and lawyers. There is a George in all of the young students at Makerere.
Let us remember the lessons he impacted, and not just about the law, but about dignity, integrity, rule of law, and respect for one another. Although we say goodbye to Professor Kanyeihamba, the jurist, friend, husband, and father, let us celebrate the life he lived and the impact he made.
Robe may hang, but your truth lives on. My lords, in light of the foregoing, we pray that this honorable court may be pleased to grant leave to the judicial officers and staff of the judiciary to commemorate the life and legacy of the late Honorable Justice Professor George Wilson Kanyeihamba.